Well, welcome back to the channel, Tamiya fans. If you're a new subscriber, a new viewer, thank you very much. If you're a returning viewer, you guys are awesome, really appreciate it. Views are going up and subscriptions are going up, so everything's working, I think, okay. If there is things I can improve, please let me know, because I do want to try and grow this channel as much as I can. Obviously, I like talking about Tamiya stuff and Tamiya news. So yeah, the more I can get subscribers, obviously the more incentive it'll give me to keep going with it. So thank you very much for what you've done so far. Today is the 12th of October. And in Japan, like right now, as we speak, it's the 62nd All Japan Model and Hobby Show. And that's on right now, so that's today and tomorrow. So yesterday was a trade day, and today and tomorrow are public days. So there are, I don't have any photos just yet. I'm sure it'll come out soon enough, some photos from the event. There is a couple on the official Tamiya Japan Instagram page of just the booths and stuff like that, but none of the products. But we do know what the products are that they're showing, and there's 6 products, RC products. There's plenty of mini 4-wheel drive stuff, but 6 RC products. And I thought I'd just show you today what's coming through. Now, in my last video, I got accused of clickbaiting, which I didn't think I was clickbaiting. I was talking about Porsche 956 and maybe doing the Newman colors, which I had in the other video. I'm not clickbaiting today. I just wanted to bring a couple of my favorites out and put them on the table, just so it's a little bit more decorated rather than just be a plain black table. And I thought I'd wear my Tamiya t-shirt, which was the largest they had, and it's nowhere near big enough, because I think Japanese are a lot smaller than me. I'm about 6'4". So yeah, Tamiya all the way today. So yes, like I said, 62nd All Model and Hobby Show. So we have 6 products, and the first product we're going to show is the Hornet Evo 58742. I've done a couple of videos about that so far. There's a few videos all over the net, release videos, all sorts of stuff. Action RC have a video. They actually got a kit and built it. But exciting, everyone's looking forward to that one coming out. Next, like I just spoke about, which is the Porsche 956, the Group C car 47508. That's coming November. I think it'll probably hit stores after this. So end of this month, I reckon you'll see it in Japan, but I think the rest of us will get an opportunity to buy it in November. Hopefully they do those Newman Porsche colors, which would be fantastic. Next is a Celica GT4 TT02 chassis ST205. That's 58743. So yeah, that one's coming. And there's also, just for that one, there's the spare body set. So you could, if you didn't want to build it on a TT02, TC01 maybe, that'd be a pretty cool build, I reckon. 51750 is the number for that, just that body set. Another one is the Eneos X Prime GR Supra, again on a TT02. That is 47514. I think that body just looks incredible. I'd like to probably build that body up on, like I said, maybe a different chassis. Maybe do like a full retro TO2 chassis with that body set on. Just go back to the 90s and in modern car and an old chassis, which is pretty cool. A bit of a reverse resto mod maybe, something like that. And lucky last is the trucks, which I've got a Scania truck over there. I might put that on the table next time. Scania 770S, that is 8x4x4 I think, and it's the gunmetal edition, and that is model number 56376. So yeah, they're the 5 kits and 1 body set that they're going to show at the show today and tomorrow. So if you watch Instagram, it'll just be flooded all over the Instagram pages of people putting up photos and bits and pieces like that. But that's essentially what they're going to show. Last video, like I said, only a couple of new releases. So if you want to go back and watch some of the old videos, it'd be fantastic. But any news we get, I'm going to bring it straight to you as quick as I can. And just, I know, if you're anything like me, I'd rather watch it on YouTube than read it or see photos. And I guess this is just like a different format of showing you what's actually coming from Tamiya. So thanks again for watching, guys. Really do appreciate it. If you do like the channel, please subscribe, hit that thumbs up, bell icon. Every time a new video is going to get uploaded, every time there's news, I'm going to bring you a video. I promise you that. So we'll see you in our next one. And I'm going to go and dust these bad boys off because they're looking pretty rough. And I've got to glue that back louver back on. I don't know why stuff falls apart when they're just sitting on the shelves. Anyway, see you next time, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye. So if you like this video, there's plenty more on our channel that you're going to love. Hit like, hit subscribe, hit the thumbs up. Check out some of the other videos that we've made. I'm sure you'll like them.